Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about Starbucks, and if you are a fan of Starbucks, then watch this video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you an amazing trick that I found it out about Starbucks app. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys that how actually I got it 3 stars on my Starbucks app, and if you want to learn how to do this on your own, then don't skip this tutorial guys. Watch it until the end to understand everything you need to do in order to do it also. So I'm just gonna open real quick my Starbucks app, and this method works for both devices, iOS and Android guys. And I got 5k stars guys with this method, so you just have to go to this link down below guys, search about Starbucks and continue the rest of the steps. You're going to generate 5k Starbucks on your app. Okay, so this is my short video guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you if you need anything, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next tutorials.